morning, friends. This week we talked about water. You told me what you know about water. You even told me what happens to water when the temperature changes. Today, I want you to take a look at this picture here. What do you notice about this picture? The ocean, okay, because there's a fish, so we know it's the ocean or a lake or a river, right? And we see blue arrows that are pointing up towards the sky. There's the sun. Then there's clouds. Yes, these look like raindrops that are coming back into the ocean. This body of water here. It could be the ocean, it could be a lake, a river. Okay. And then we see the arrows pointing right back up, and it keeps going around and around and around. Well, guess what? The earth has a limited amount of water. And that water, it keeps going around and around and around and around. Well, you get the idea in what we call the water cycle. The water, the water cycle. Okay? So the water cycle is made up of a few main parts. The first part is called evaporation. Can you say that? Evaporation. Yeah, the word evaporation starts with the letter E. Good. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in the rivers or the lake and the ocean, and it turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the water and the lake and the ocean, and it goes up into the air. Then, what happens up in the air, right here, okay, is called condensation. Can you say condensation? Condensation. So condensation starts with a C, that's right. And condensation is when the water vapor in the air gets cold and it changes back into liquid, forming clouds. Okay? And this is called condensation. You can see the same sort of thing at home. If you pour a glass of cold water on a hot day and watch what happens, water forms on the outside of the glass. That water didn't somehow leak through the glass. It actually came from the air. Water vapor in the warm air turns back into liquid when it touches the cold glass, and that's why it looks the way it does. Okay? Then here we have precipitation. Can you say that? Precipitation. Precipitation. Can you say that? Precipitation. That's right. These are really fancy words. So, precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and the water falls back into the ocean or the river or the streams. And it can fall in many different types of ways. It can fall as snow or water or sleet or even hail. So now I want to teach you a song that goes with this picture. It goes with the water cycle. Are you ready for the song? Here we go. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It goes up as evaporation. It forms clouds as condensation, then comes down as precipitation. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It goes up as evaporation, forms clouds as condensation, and comes down as precipitation. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I hope you enjoyed that song. See you later.